Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 30th October 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. First, quickly let's see what happened yesterday. Around afternoon, some of the defense-related public sector companies like HAL, BEML, BEL and Bharat Dynamics etc. all together visited the defense minister. And again, together they handed over the dividend check of 1,630 crore rupees. On top of that, all those companies discussed with the ministry about future roadmap, performance and what they are going to do, etc. And after the meeting, in the defense ministry press release, they mentioned defense minister recommended the companies to allocate more resources for the R&D. So in the afternoon, it created the short covering in all defense public sector companies. Already on Monday, Indian banks results were good. Then in the aftermarket hours, Federal Bank results were also good. And in the Monday night ADR, both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank increased substantially. So yesterday from the morning itself, banks was super positive, which in turn itself created the short covering in entire public sector banks. Hence yesterday it's all public sector unit day. And if you see the sector wise, PSU banks increased over 3.5%, other banks and financials increased 2%. On the other hand, auto sector is the major dragger since Maruti Suzuki posted not so good quarterly results, and the same reason for Pharma. In addition, as highlighted in the Stocks in Focus article, Sun Pharma got the patent issue. Hence, for the second day in a row, Nifty increased and overall 56% of the listed stocks advanced and 41% declined. Then coming to open interest volume analysis, finally in this week expiry, proprietary traders in the index future market, instead of adding more short position, rather they increased the long position. As we see in the graph, after 4 days, proprietary traders reduced the short position to 62% from 67% and increased the long position to 38% from 33%. So the long short ratio improved from 0.49 to 0.60. On the other hand, in the option market, they sold more put options. Hence, considering everything, unlike last 3 trading sessions, it looks like now proprietary traders more inclined on the positive side. However, please be aware, in the future market, FII maintained the long short position. In addition to that, in the options market, it looks like FII bought substantially more put option. So when they sell those put options back, that might potentially draws down the Nifty suddenly, or they might genuinely bought those put options as a hedge for US presidential election. Either way, better be cautious in the afternoon for today and tomorrow. Technically Nifty had a positive crossover, but with the amount of derivative transaction in the Indian market, we can't just rely only on the technical basis. Those were the quick takeaway from the Indian market. Now coming to US market, all 3 major index opened negative. However, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, US Bureau of Labor Statistics released the number of available job openings in US at the end of September month. The data came around only 7.4 million jobs openings against the market expectation of 8 million job opening, which is at least 0.5 million less job available opening than what market expected. Hence, in turn, it increased the further rate cut optimism. So, Nasdaq reached the new all-time high. However, core companies like Ford posted not so good quarterly results. Thus, that stock price dropped over 8%. Hence, Dow Jones was under pressure and only Dow Jones closed negative of 0.36%, whereas S&P 500 up 0.16% and Nasdaq increased 0.81%. In case of VIX, it decreased by 2% and moved below 19.5. Then after the market close, Google released their quarterly results, which beats the analyst estimation. Thus, in the offline market trading, Google stock price increased above 5%. So at present, global momentum improved, which is good. However, those positivity was not transferred to GIFT Nifty since early morning today it closed around 24,450. Equating that with the spot market, for now it's indicating flat opening. Then about Indian ADR, both banks, HDFC Bank ADR and ICICI Bank ADR increased marginally below 0.5%. At the same time, both IT stocks ADR, Infosys and Wipro closed below 0.5% negative. So again, banks looking marginal positive, whereas IT stocks looks marginal negative. Then regarding oil, no major change. WTI crude trading around 67.5 US dollars per barrel and Brent crude trading at 71 US dollars per barrel. As a summary, US market closed positive and also Google results were good, so global momentum is good. However, it's not showing neither in the GIFT Nifty nor in the Indian ADR. In addition, please be aware in the afternoon trading time, I'm suspecting either today or tomorrow FII might trade violently. Again, it's just my opinion. I can be completely wrong. Please don't make investment decision based on this. Moving on, as per stock open interest, Torrent Pharma, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, Maruti Suzuki, Ashok Leyland and NMDC got an increase in open interest along with a negative close, indicates the short build up. On the other hand, City Union Bank, Voltas, Federal Bank, Cummins India and National Aluminium got an increase in open interest with a positive price close, which means these stocks got the long build up. Then about the things to look out, L&T, Tata Power, Dabur India, TTK Prestige and Aditya Birla Capital are some of the major Indian companies' earnings results are scheduled to release today. And in terms of macro, during the market hours between 12 pm to 2:30 pm, France GDP data, Germany GDP data, Spain inflation and Germany's unemployment rate are due. Then at 3:30 pm, whole Europe's GDP data and business climate data is scheduled to release. And in the aftermarket hours in the night, very important, US GDP data, crude oil inventories, private non-farm payroll data, then Facebook and Microsoft quarterly results are some of the important items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened flat and remained range bound throughout the day in the range 24,140 to 24,490. But on the positive side, finally it closed at above 24,450. And in the volume profile above fair value zone. Thus on the daily chart, Nifty formed a bullish candlestick pattern with a lower shadow indicating buying interest at lower level. In addition, RSI momentum indicator had a bullish crossover and Nifty closed above the fair value zone, all suggesting positive sentiment in the short term. However, on the cautious note, Nifty is still trading below 20, 50 and 100-day exponential moving average. Hence, in the morning session, if Nifty sustained above 24,450 means, then there is a potential for Nifty to move towards 24,700 to 24,750 on the upside, while support is at 24,250 on the downside. In case of Bank Nifty, it opened 140 points gap up and strongly outperformed Nifty and closed at above 52,300, which is the biggest single day rally since June 5th thanks to PSU banks. Thus on the daily chart, Bank Nifty formed a long bullish candlestick pattern with significantly higher volume and it reached near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level from the record high to October low. Additionally, Bank Nifty decisively climbed above all key moving averages, continued the higher high, higher low formation. Furthermore, the momentum indicators RSI and MACD showed positive crossover. All are indicating positive signs. Hence, we can expect Bank Nifty to continue with the positive momentum towards 52,600 to 52,800 from short-term perspective with support at 52,100 level. Regarding the monthly options data, the maximum call option open was at 25,000 strike followed by 25,500 and 24,500 with maximum new call option writing at 24,700 strike followed by 25,500 and 25,100. On the put side, the maximum open was at 24,000 strike followed by 23,500 and 24,400 with maximum new put option writing at 23,700 strike followed by 24,400 and 24,300. Thus, from options data, 25,000 level is expected to be the key hurdle on the higher side with crucial support at 24,000 level. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so that it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.